Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of Stock Lock Sunday. You guys see this lock from the other day. I was able to bump it open. I'm still not been able to impression a key for it though, which is unusual for master lock. But here it's high time to try to pick it. And we're not on Stock Lock Sunday here. A fatter pry bar will fit in here. Yeah, well, okay. So maybe a fatter pick will too. Just for like every pin fall, and didn't really feel any set here, so must be really long. All right, it picked open anyway. Still don't know why I can't impression it. Sweet. So anyway, it's a master lock, bike lock, single pin picked, and oops, more successful stock lock Sunday than last Sunday. At least this is actually a stock lock. And don't forget to, I guess, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And as of December 29th, my giveaway on my other channel is still going on. I'll link that. And we'll talk to everybody later.